President for Academic Affairs. I'd like to welcome everyone to the campus of National Taiwan University.
The hackathon actually come along with other activity, including site visit, lecture, and the group discussion. Our scope is trying to bring people from different part of the world and together work on the development of future for the Guandu Plain in Taipei Basin, because Guandu is the remaining largest agriculture site in Taipei, and it carries a lot of capacity to contribute climate change. And also the agriculture there may link to the food sufficient issues and also provide biodiversity. So we are working on these issues and want to fix out a better plan for the future development.
Thank you.
Well, there were a lot of different, really impressive moments. But I have to say that the combination of the group of people that were brought together here in this particular site in Taipei, especially overlooking Guandu, that we had really the possibility to meet the people and to interact with the population, and being this really international group of people, it's always amazing. So the diversity of the backgrounds that we have, either cultural background and professional background, and the interaction that we had in Guandu, and the openness of the population, either at the school or at farmings, and the local population was really amazing. And I think this human interaction is always the greatest thing that can happen.
The most impressive thing of my mind is to learn Taiwan, how the technology, life, culture here is going on, and which digital participatory tools exist and how they are applied, and how I can implement it in Germany or all over the world.
What is very important to understand is that, so we are now in Taiwan, and Taiwan 2014 there was the sunflower movement, and since then Taiwan came up with a lot of innovative civil tech innovations. Could also provide insights into Taiwan civil tech culture. People can learn a lot about what happened in Taiwan. On the same time, we had the critical reflection of what we can actually transfer to other areas. Because of this very international crowd, a lot of people, they started to think, okay, there are maybe aspects that we can transfer one-to-one, or that we have to adapt to our very special local conditions. But this is also something that we found out, so how we can transfer digital tools and open data to other civic data cultures.
We have 4 groups. Actually, each group focuses on different dimensions. Some on the technology, for example, like an app can contain many innovative ideas like blockchain or local currency. Another group focuses on interactive map, so on GIS map, but it's also a platform to bring people, citizens together to add on their information on that app. And one group focuses on mostly on the planning process, and want to bring in more sustainable concept into this site. And also there is one group focused on the future urban remix land use of concept. So I would say that they have enriched our imagination and the scope of urban development. I think Guandu can serve as a strategic zone for us to meet the challenge of the net zero in 2050.